Hello, Brithany. Mr. Brown here. I thought I would just help you with the writing assignment. Okay, so as you can see, I know you asked about the writing assignment, so I'm just going to give you some instructions that might help you. As you can see, I'm up in classroom, and you know where the writing assignment is. Okay, so the instructions say listen to the Alicia Keys song. In the Google Doc provided, annotate and translate the lyrics. Okay, look for literary elements like metaphors, similes, etc. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on the song, and you'll see that that gives you a link for the song, and you can just listen to it. Okay, now while you're listening to the song, it's your song. Okay, very pretty song. And what we could do is we could then open up the document, and you can follow the lyrics. Okay, we have the theme, the kind of figurative language she uses. If we go down, sorry, being kind of slow. Um, so you've got the lyrics on the left that she's singing. I'm going to stop those now, but you can listen along with the song as you look at the lyrics. And then as after that's done, you can make notes based on the song lyrics. So you do not have to translate necessarily, but you can just make notes onto what you think things mean. I see your light in the dark, for example. Okay, I see your light in the light in the dark. A smile in my face when we all know it's hard. So, what is she conveying there? What kind of feelings is she conveying? What does she mean by I see your light in the dark? Okay, is she being optimistic? Things like that. You're doing good job. You're doing a good job. A good job. A good job. You see that there, that on the screen there. There she is using repetition. So here you could write down in the right hand side. You could write that she is using repetition. Okay, you're doing a good job. Now, what does the repetition means? She wants to. She wants to express. She believes the person is doing a good job. Okay, the idea of repetition there. So you could write that there. If we go down a little further, um, 6 in the morning, as soon as you walk through that door, everyone needs you again. The world is out of order. Okay, what kind of images do you imagine someone waking up at 6 in the morning? Someone walks through the door. Is that someone that maybe has been at work all night? And the person is seeing the other person walk through the door after working very hard, saying that you're doing a good job. Things like that. Just go through the lyrics, okay? And you can just tell me what you believe is being said about the lyrics, okay? So for you, you can just tell me your opinion on the lyrics, okay? You can translate them and say what you think Brittany feels about them, okay? While doing that, you can also point out the different literary elements. Is she using a metaphor? Is she comparing one thing to another? Is she using imagery? All right, is she creating images in your mind? And you can write about that. Everything you can write on the right-hand side, just like we did at the top there, okay? So give that a try. Let me know if you need more help, and I'll be here to help you. All right, Brittany, good luck with it. All right, bye-bye.